we made a brand called Conscious Living for You, so it's kind of like something we just did as a husband and wife type thing, because we're both interested in the same stuff.
The way the focus is mind and body and spiritual health, just helping people live a healthier life in all aspects, not just, be physically healthy, but also mentally healthy. And that's part of what this program is about, is to give some techniques and some pointers of how you can have a, healthier mental state and, learn how to relax, learn how to get rid of stress.
Need that.
Focus, yeah.
We all need
Everybody
that.
has stress.
We all need that.
It's just a matter of levels. Everybody
Yeah.
has different stress levels, and it's a matter of how you manage it and how you approach it.
So that's kind of about that, but just briefly about us, because we want to make this more about you. We have activities for you planned today. It's not just us, sitting up here talking. You don't learn from that. But just to give you a brief background, so I'm Loretta DeStefano-Micarelli. So I started as an MST in the state of New Jersey, where I was a CNA basically, and I had gone, I would work in hospitals, and then I became a registered nurse with a BSN in the state of New Jersey. So I'm currently a nurse at Virtual Hospital, and then I became a yoga instructor because I just fell in love with the regime. It's just a beautiful practice, physically, mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. It fills all those needs for me. So I also went to a school, so I have over 50 hours right now, but I'm going into like a teacher training program, which is like national, for up to like 200, 500 hours. So I'm kind of dabbling into like a whole bunch of different stuff right now. So I teach at different locations. And that's my background and my husband's background.
And besides going to a lot of her yoga classes,
Yeah.
getting the benefit of having
He
a
might
yoga
have forced that
instructor.
first to go, but
No, we were doing yoga before she became a teacher. She
Yeah.
actually introduced me to it, and I had always, tried to, work out and live pretty healthy. But she helped me take it on a level. So now that she's a yoga instructor, it's great because I get to, take classes a few times a week, and I'm in the best shape of my life. And I tell people that all the time. It's like, it's not just a spiritual discipline, and mental discipline. It's really, a lot of the yoga that you see is physical. There's those other aspects that are a big part of it, but obviously it's physicality. It's the idea of becoming healthier, becoming stronger, more flexible, and I try to help her with this brand by using my design skills. I'm a graphic designer and a creative professional, so I try to be her marketing person and try to do all the things as far as web design and doing her promotions online and just spreading the word to people and giving them visuals of what we do. So we try to work together and help people in our respective ways.
Yeah. So we'll get started. So this slideshow was made for the parent group here to help them to alleviate stress and to bring mindfulness into their life. But it's not just for parents, it's really for anybody. It's for employees, teachers, directors, whoever. It's for anybody who is just in our society who's overwhelmed with the everyday stress that we kind of go through. So the first slide we're going to take you to is breath. And the reason why I actually made a slide on breath is because in the yoga practice, the breath is actually the basis of the practice. So we breathe every day, right? We don't take notice to the breath. We just breathe involuntarily because we have to, our body needs it. But when we start to focus on why we actually need it and how to breathe properly, we can actually instill calmness, mindfulness, and also physiological change in the body. It actually changes the biochemistry in the body, which is a science.